Flag Officer commanding Goa Naval Area and Commander Pade. They will brief you about the program of sail parade and fly past at Miramar. The traffic police has already issued an advisory about the roads which will be closed due to Honorable Prime Minister's visit. Takes place smoothly. I now request the Flag Officer Commanding Rear Admiral to kindly brief the media on the sequence of events that would take place at Miramar.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming for the press conference. As was Mr. Dubey highlighted, it's a big day for us tomorrow, where the Honorable Prime Minister will be visiting us to commemorate 60 years of the liberation of Goa, which happened on the 19th of December 1961. So the first event is the Honorable Prime Minister will be laying a wreath at Azad Maidan at the Martyrs Memorial. As all of us know, this memorial was unveiled in 1973, and it depicts 4 arms, which reflects the fact that the participation in the liberation was comprising of people from all 4 corners of the country. The memorial has the names of 67 martyrs, thanks to whom Goa was liberated. So at the memorial, there will be a 3-service guard comprising 33 men from the Army, 33 from the Air Force, and 33 from the Navy. And after the laying of the wreath, the Prime Minister Honorable Prime Minister will shift to the Miramar beach, and the events will commence with a fly past, which will depict the contribution by the 3 services in the liberation of Goa, which will be having a flag, a national flag, which would be the first aircraft across when the Honorable Prime Minister arrives at the venue. And the Chetak will be followed by a fly past by the Advanced Light Helicopter, the Kamov 31 helicopter, the Donia aircraft, which is a maritime reconnaissance aircraft, again built in India. Then we have the IL-38 maritime reconnaissance aircraft, followed by 3 MiG-29 fighters. All these aircraft are based in Goa. And thereafter there will be a sail parade comprising of 19 sailboats, and there's a motorized column with 24 boats, as well as some pleasure boats. So basically our aim is to capture the essence of Goa. So besides the military element, which my organization is looking after, there's all agencies of the state government which are involved, like the captain of the ports, fisheries, coastal police, etc. Details of which my colleagues will.
Colorful sail parade tomorrow evening at Miramar. We would be showcasing the culture of Goa, its people in traditional dresses, different types of boat, including the boats manufactured in Goa. We'll have boats from the Navy, Goa Shipyard Limited, from police, from tourism, from industry, and also showcase tourism and sports activities of Goa towards promoting this culture. What I request you all, it's going to be a thrilling event. I would request you to urge the citizens to come in great numbers and enjoy the afternoon at Miramar beach. We have about 40 different types of boats which will participate. As Admiral already brought out about 19 sailboats. There will be power boats from Navy, Coast Guard, Goa Shipyard Limited, from Tourism Department. Trishti Marines will also be conducting search and rescue demo for the drowning personnel there. All in all, I can assure you it will be a thrilling afternoon. Thank you. The general public is welcome to come and attend. It's open for all.
केवल आप ओपन फॉर ऑल बोलते हो, लेकिन वहाँ पे कोई सिक्योरिटी कोई अलाउ नहीं करते अंदर। टुडे हम लोग गए थे वहाँ पे। एक मिनट मैं बोलता हूँ, दर्शक प्लीज कर। हम लोग गए थे वहाँ पे, तो पुलिस लोगों ने इस तरह से हम लोगों को ट्रीटमेंट किया कि जस्ट लाइक केवल वो प्रोग्राम केवल पीएम के लिए है, बाकी कल पीएम हमारे सीएम ने बोला कि आ जाओ देखो, आज ट्रायल हो गई, ड्रेस के साथ होगी, लेकिन कुछ नहीं। जिस तरह से आज का डेमो था ये बहुत जैसे कि एक्सप्रेस बहुत बुरा था सर हमारा। सारे लोगों को जिस तरह से अलाव ये कर रहे थे, तो दिस इज वेरी बैड ट्रीटमेंट फॉर।
अगर ट्रायल के लिए
पीएम के लिए करना है तो कोई इशू नहीं, आप मत बोलो कि हमें मत बुलाओ।
छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग आए थे,
आप ट्रायल में ऐसा करते होते, कल ऑन लोकेशन पे क्या करोगे, क्या सीन रहेगा?
नहीं, let me just clarify. Those who wish to attend need to be on the venue latest by 12:45 p.m. tomorrow. After that, once the Honorable Prime Minister arrives, the routes by SPG and police security will be closed. That traffic advisory has already been issued. It seems there was some miscommunication today. We will get appropriate instructions conveyed to the police department. By 12:45 p.m. tomorrow, the general public is most welcome. They should come. Our naval forces and our other armed forces have put on a good show tomorrow for the people of Goa. Please do come and participate, but please be at the venue latest by 12:45 p.m. After that, movement would be restricted. That has already been conveyed by the police department. Traffic police is come in the newspapers also, but we will ensure that instructions go out that before 12:45 there is unhindered movement so that people can access the venue.
So how this would be taken care of?
Again, if I may take it.
Any security साइड से आप बोलो, कोई सिक्योरिटी साइड से पुलिस हो या कोई सीनियर ऑफिसर एसपी, वो तो वो इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि हम लोग ही कन्वे कर सकते हैं आपका मैसेज।
In fact, we are so glad that we have the media here to bring about the various facets, and you beautifully brought out one real factor. In the same breath, let me also tell you that our police is really feeling the stretch wherein they are practically supposed to be everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you understand that with such a senior person like the Honorable Prime Minister himself coming, as to the extra amount of security which the police has to undertake, and the load on them is as much as the load is there on you journalists when a major event like this comes up. So perhaps we can spare a thought for the poor policemen who have to be there in one place hours on end. We do understand that there are certain things that can go wrong, but let us look at this as something which Goa as a state can showcase.
आप देख रहे हैं सक्षम न्यूज इंडिया, सबसे पहले सबसे तेज।